Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel artistammaramazari. Today we are going to create a beautiful digital art piece featuring the letter A with a floral design. Let's get started. The digital artwork is a beautiful representation of the letter A with flowers. The letter A is drawn in a soft peach color, which means it is warm and inviting. The letter is modern and stylish. Standing out against the black background. The artwork is made more beautiful by the addition of flowers. An orange rose is placed inside the A, adding a pop of color and natural beauty. The rose is shown in different shades of orange, gives it depth and dimension. The green leaves around the roses and movement and life to the place. The contrast between the black background and the soft floral elements is striking. The black background helps the peach and orange colors stand out, creating a sense of drama and visual interest. The overall effect of the artwork is elegant and understated. The combination of the stylized letter A, the beautiful rose, and the green leaves creates a piece that is both modern and timeless. I have using color and composition to create a visually appealing piece. The use of negative space around the letter and flowers add to the simplify and elegance of the artwork. Please let me know if you want more digital art videos in the future. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.